To access the on-computer portion of this model lesson, follow these simple steps. Start the Understanding Numeration program. At the introduction screen, click the Jump To menu and select Main Menu. Select Counting. From the Skill menu, click Skip Counting and Patterns. Select Level C and click Go. Select the Counting by Twos lesson and click Go to begin. You are now ready to complete the on-computer portion. This lesson will have the students count by twos to 100 using a hundreds chart.
I'm going to pretend to play Pass the Marker for a second with you guys. So everybody has their 100 chart, and it says skip counting by twos. The first thing we have to do is we have to fill in our chart. So we're missing a lot of numbers, and this is where Pass the Marker comes in. So I'm going to get a marker, and I'm going to be the first one to have a turn. So do I need to write the number 1? No. Do I need to write the number 2? What's the very first number I'm going to have to print in, Andrew? 3. So I write the number 3, but then that's when Pass the Marker happens. I wrote the number 3. He wrote the number 4. Good job, and I'm going to pass the marker. Okay, Matthew, what's the next number you're going to write in? Oh, he knew. 6. So we're going to keep doing that. So you're going to pass the marker around, and you're going to keep getting this until you have the numbers from 1 to 100 written down. But then you know what? I need your help, guys. I want you to find me a pattern. And I love patterns because math is all about patterns. And what you're going to do is you're going to go through and you're going to circle with a different color marker all your numbers as you're skip counting by 2. And the next number I'm going to circle is?
6.
That's right. And you know what? When you're done, all of this, all the way to 100, you're going to have a lot of numbers circled. And we're going to come back here and we're going to talk about what patterns you see when you're counting by twos. If you think you're ready, I need you to tap your head. Right now, please, is I'm wondering if I can have one group who finished, put up their hand quietly who's willing to share. Do you see a pattern with your hundreds chart?
That it's circle, non-circle, circle, non-circle, circle, non-circle.
Oh my goodness, let's all say that. Ready? Circle, not circle, circle, not circle, circle, not circle. How did we make that pattern? Why does that work, Desiree? Because we're counting by 2. So watch. 1, 2 is circled.
And 3,
4 is circled. So when we counted by 2s, we made the pattern of circle, not circle, circle, not circle. Way to go. Does anyone notice another pattern? Most groups went like this to circle, and they did circle, not circle, circle, not circle. But Kyle's group did something different. Kyle, what did you do? He went down. So they circled all the ones ending in 2, all the ones ending in
4,
all the ones ending in
6.
I can hear that. All the ones ending in
8,
and all the ones ending in
0.
So smart. This group, have a seat quietly for me. I want to show you one last thing on the computer. Look at, and Simon helped me get it to this point on our hundreds chart. Yours went not circle, circle, not circle, circle. What does my computer have for a pattern?
Red.
And?
And white.
So I go white, red, white, red, white, red. So skip counting by 2, starting at 2 are in red. Ready? Watch. What happened with that pattern there for that last row? That's right. So they moved all the same colored ones down. So the 8 stayed colored, the 6, the 4, the 2, and those all, and then the 9 got put in front because we're in the row of the 90s. All right, my last question for the day, and I want to see who can answer this. Ready? Skip counting by 2s. There's a special word for all these numbers that are in red on my computer or that you circled here. What kind of numbers are those? Does anybody know? I heard a couple of you talking about it. It starts with the letter E.
Even.
Brianna?
Even.
Those are even numbers. I'm going to leave you with that, but I need everybody to say it 3 times. Even numbers. Ready? Even numbers.